that we're going to do is install a virtual machine. A virtual machine is basically a digital copy of a physical computer. It allows you to install and run other operating systems without actually having to overwrite the existing operating system inside the computer. In this instance, we're going to install Oracle VM VirtualBox.
So let's start. First, we're going to open the browser. Then we're going to search VirtualBox. We'll click on the very first link. Then we will click on Download VirtualBox 7.0. This is the current version of the VirtualBox. Since I have Windows PC, I will click on Windows Host. But if you have any other operating systems, you can click on one of these. So I'll just click on Windows Host. Then I'll just wait for the download to finish. So now we will open the executable file. Then we'll just click on Next. And here we're going to choose on what folder we're going to save the VirtualBox. I'll just leave it at Program Files, so I'll just click Next. We'll just ignore this. We're going to click Yes. We're going to ignore this again. Just click Yes. Then we will click on Install. Just wait for the installation to finish. And then we're done. We're just going to click on Finish so the VirtualBox will launch. So here's the VirtualBox. And there you have it. That's how you install the Oracle VM VirtualBox.
Hello, my name is Nathaniel Ramirez and I will teach you how to download and install Windows 10 ISO. First, go to Google and search Windows 10 download and select Windows 10 download disk image ISO file. Next, look for Create Windows 10 installation media and press download now and save. Once download is complete, open your file. There will be a prompt. To accept it, just press confirm or yes. Once it opens, wait for it to finish loading. In here is only about license terms, so scroll down and accept. In here, select Create Installation Media and press Next. In here, do not change anything and leave it at default and press Next. Here, select ISO file and press Next. Then, save in your preferred location. Do note this takes a while to download and process, so it will take a while. Once it finishes, it should look like this. You can find the file in your preferred location, where I chose mine in the download folder.
After the installation of Windows 10, click the VirtualBox and select New. Create a name for your virtual machine and click Other and find HDD and make sure that the version of it is Windows 10 64-bit. and click Next, 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 and Finish. And wait for a while and click the drop down again and select Other. Find the Windows ISO and click Mount. Click Install Now. Click I don't have a product key. Click Next. Check the I accept the license and Next. Click Customs and click Next. Wait for a moment again until the Windows is finally installed. And after that, let's now select your region and click Yes. And the right keyboard, set layout and click Yes. And skip.
After selecting your region, create an account using your email, phone, or Skype account. If you don't have an account yet, click Create Account. Next, you will be prompted to create a PIN. Click the button below to proceed. Please wait a moment while the system loads. After loading, set up a PIN. This makes it easier to sign into your device, apps, and services. For a stronger PIN, include symbols and letters. Once you've created your PIN, click Not Now. Choose privacy settings for your device. Microsoft puts you in control of your privacy. Choose your settings, then select Accept to save them. You can change these settings at any time. Please wait a moment while the system loads. Click Skip. Click Remind Me Later. Click No Thanks. And please wait a moment. Click Decline for Microsoft 365. Click Decline again. And please wait a moment. Click No Thanks. Click Not Now. And please wait a moment while the system loads. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Windows OS in your VirtualBox. In VirtualBox, you can run different operating systems in these virtual machines, like Linux or an older version of Windows, right from your current Windows system. It's like having a computer within a computer, which can be incredibly useful for testing software or settings without affecting your main system. Remember, each virtual machine you set up should be treated as a separate computer. This means you need to install the necessary software and applications on each virtual machine you create. So, don't hesitate to dive in and start creating your virtual machines. Happy virtualizing!